Nilight 37-inch 780W triple row flood spot combo LED light. The Nilight 37-inch 780W triple row flood spot combo LED light is a high-quality lighting solution that is suitable for a wide range of vehicles. With over 10 years of experience in writing product reviews, I can confidently say that this product offers excellent performance and durability. One of the standout features of the Nilight LED light is its impressive wattage of 780 watts. This provides an incredibly bright and powerful illumination, making it perfect for off-road adventures, nighttime driving, and other demanding situations. Whether you're driving a bus, ATV, car, SUV, UTV, truck, tractor, or trailer, this light will enhance your visibility and ensure a safer driving experience. I particularly appreciate the triple-row flood spot combo design of this LED light. It combines both flood and spot beams to offer a versatile and adaptive lighting solution. The flood beam provides a wide-angle illumination, perfect for Lee,